Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss um, with you about the glass, how to count the glass sizes and the glass price. You may think count glass size is easy, just width times height and divided by, if it's in inches, so divided by 144, you get square feet. But actually, in the actual glass manufacturing, that's not the way they did. Show you how to get glass size. For example, this glass is 80 3/8 by 35.5. It's not simple. 80 38 by 35.5, and you get square inches, and then divided by 144, you get square feet, which is 8375 times 35.5 divided by 144, which is 198.8. 80.375, okay, 75.5, you timed together, divided by 144. The actual glass manufacturing, they are not count that square like that. When you send your PO, purchase order, to the glass manufacturer, they are doing their own way. For example, when you doing the glass, this size is 82 3/8 by 35. They will count the width round up to next even number, which is 82, and the 35.5 will round next even number, which is 36. So the glass is rounded to next even number, which is 82. Okay, 35.5, well, 36, this next even number. So your glass sizes square footage will be 20.5 square feet instead of 19.81467. So this is how they count. So I made a form to automatically count the glass sizes. This quantities, this width, this glass width, and this glass height. So normally, if it's a square, so the glass, you just count width times height with even number. But sometimes it's rake shape, a different shape. You could have right hand height is different from left hand height. If it's the same, you don't need to fill out this side. So then you get square. So how you get this square? Like I say, you need to get width to even number and height to even number. At the same time, I have to compare which left side or right side, which side is bigger. So let's reshape glass. So when we count the glass and this width, this height, the left hand height and the right hand height. So as I just said, the number will have to go to even. Also, the rake shape will have to go to the big numbers. So, for example, this width is 80 7/8, so even number will be 82. Left hand 57 3/4. The closest run up even number, which is 58. And this one will be smaller, so we're gonna use the big numbers. So then you find out this list number. This actual number from the glass manufacturer. They will use 82 inches width, and the height he will use these numbers. So this glass they will count as 58. So this how the square feet they count the 82 times 58 instead of 83/8 by 57/3/4. So when we count the area, so we need to use the formula to count like that. So this formula we're going to use, we can compare if if for example for the first one, if C3, which is here this number, okay, if C3 bigger than D3, if left side sizes bigger than right sizes, okay, then we got the two numbers B3 and C3 even numbers together. So even number 82 3/8, the next even number round up even number which is 84 times C3, so which is 36. But you need to compare because the glass, if you square footage less than 4 square feet, the manufacturer will count it as 4 square feet. So if your square feet area is less than 4, they will consider as 4. For example, if you have 15 inches times 15 inches, okay, which actually the square feet is only 15 times 15 divided by 144, which is only 1.56 square footage, but they were considered as 4 square feet. It was less than 4 feet. This is how glass manufacturer will charge you minimum square feet price. So this is how you, if this was less than 4, will consider as 4. Otherwise, will be this even round up even number times this round up even number. Or if not C3, if C3 less than D3, which is if left side is smaller than right side, they were doing other way, which is width times right hand side. So also compared to minimum 4, so you get different sizes. This is how you get the areas. So the top area is easy. You just use the areas times quantities. Okay, and perimeter will be easy. Will be use A3 with quantities times this width and height added together times 2. So you get perimeter. This width polish, this height polish. For sealed units, normally we don't need to say polish, so we don't need to put polish. For example, this glass is stop glazed. If we say square footage is $15, for example, just for this case example, $15 per square. That's what I get quotations from glass manufacturer. They provide me $15 per square feet for this double glazed units. So then we can get glass cost, which is unit price times total area. So then you get total cost, which is $630 totally for 2 pieces of glass. For second one, because it's rig shape, which is 80, 38 by 57, 3/4 by 48 and 5/16. So because I already set the formulas like that, because they are compare left hand and right hand, they can use the big numbers. So then with that need to be rounded up to even number, next even number, and use big numbers and round up to next even number, which is 58. You get unit square footage, which is 33.03. So you get the same, you get total, you get parameter, you have unit prices, you get glass cost. So this glass, what do we calculate? But if the glass have shaped like this one, if you have rig shaped, normally the glass manufacturer will charge you shape fee. Shape fee will be, for example, maybe $40, $45 per rig shape. So you're gonna have to put another for one shape. So shape, for example, the second one is shape. Okay, you total you $45 if they charge us. So total quantities, because you this shape per light, if you total should be this one times total quantities. So then you get shape fee $45. So then your shape fee should be equal to this shape. So then you get total prices of this glass list. If your glass is single units or single monolithic or single glazed glass, then you don't have so you have to count if your glass needed to be polished. So if it's single glass, the area is still the same, parameters is still the same, but you need to indicate, for example, if it is reading glass, you need to polish width and height. So you would to width top and bottom and height left and right. So for that polishing inches, so you just this one added this one times 2 times quantities. You got total flat polish linear feet, linear inches. For example, if this glass is $6 per square and the polish is $25 25 cents per inch. Then your glass will be basic glass cost will be square footage times unit price. Also, your polishing cost we're using flat polishing linear inches times 25 cents per inch. You get total polished prices. So your total price will be basic cost times polishing costs. Also, if you have holes, if you have shapes, you need to count that holes. For example, if you applied one piece of glass, you have two holes. Each hole is $35 because this one is two pieces. So two pieces times two, so you're gonna have total four quantities of holes. So you have a total cost of holes with $140 for the first line of glass. The second line, you have two hoses of polite and $35 per hole, and totally you have two hoses, you have $70. So added together, you will have $210. So if you have shaped, they can charge you shape fee. So totally you got this cost. This when you send PO to glass manufacturers, if you put this forms detail sent to them, they'll come back, give to you acknowledgement, the price will be matched. Then your accountant know each piece how much it costs, how the prices consist of. Thank you for watching. I hope this video give you some ideas how to count the glass sizes and the prices. When you send PO to glass vendors, then they know the prices will match what you think.